Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito, pag-usapan na naman natin isang police officer na nag-sign off. Ayaw niya nang magsuot ng uniforme. She made her last salute to the Philippine National Police. Ito, isinare ni Tio Moreno 1 hour ago ang post ni May Baclaan. Siya yung police officer. Ang tunay niyang pangalan is Cara May B. Sumuok. Yung ipinost niyang picture dito, dito siya, nandyan si PRRD. Ang okasyon is 121st PNP Service Anniversary. Na-awardan siya ni PRRD na siyang Best FJ God Police Non-Commissioned Officer. Ano ba yung FG God? Parang God is Gender and Development. Hindi ka basta-basta ma-awardan ka na PNP anniversary at ang presidente ang mag-award sa iyo, matinong police woman ito. Kaya multi-awarded. So ito yung kanyang post. Bago lang niyang pinost. 1 hour ago lang din. Kapopos lang niya. Sabi niya, sorry for the long post ahead. Medyo mahaba at babasahin ko lang. With a heavy yet resolute heart, I have officially signed off from my service in the Philippine National Police. Wearing my uniform has been both an honor and responsibility, one that I carried with unwavering dedication, guided by the principles of discipline, integrity, and service to the Filipino people. I may step away from the uniform, but not from the duty to stand for what is right. And more than my own principles, I have always drawn strength and inspiration from a leader who truly understood the meaning of public service. That is President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. His leadership was never about personal gain. I have seen firsthand how he stood against crime, corruption, and those who sought to destroy our country. I have witnessed how he led this country with an iron will and a heart for the Filipino masses. He was not perfect, but he was the leader we needed, a man of action, not just words. Ang ganda naman ng pagkasulat niya. He who restored order to our streets, who crushed drug syndicates, who made criminals fear the law, is now being painted as a tyrant. For me, his decisive actions were never about dictatorship. They were about discipline, about protecting the innocent, about securing the future of our children. Yet, despite his sacrifices, he has been attacked, demonized, disrespected by those who fear real change. They want to erase his legacy, to rewrite history, and to silence those who still believe in his vision. Now, I am stepping away from the uniform, not because I regret my service, but because I refuse to be part of a system that is turning on its own. Dito ito masakit. Refuse to be part of the system that is turning on its own. I know I swore an oath to protect the Filipino people, to uphold justice and to fight for what is right. But when truth is twisted, when justice is selectively served, when standing for your principles is making you a target, when your freedom of speech is being barred, when justice is being used as a weapon, and when those who once protected the country are now the ones who need protection. I know that my time in this organization has come to an end. To my brothers and sisters in uniform, never forget why you choose this path. Serve with honor, not out of fear. Loyalty is not about blindly following orders. It is about standing for what is just and true. To those who still hold the line, I salute you. Keep protecting the people. Keep upholding the law. Serve with truth. Lead with strength. Never forget the real fight para sa mga Pilipino. My fight for truth and justice doesn't end with a badge. I will carry it always in my heart, in my actions, and in my convictions. Thank you, Philippine National Police. This is my last salute as a police officer, but not my last stand as a Filipino. Grabing pagkasulat nito. Maiyak-iyak na naman ako. Kailang mabuti na lang at hindi ako natuloy. So, salute to Police Officer Karamay B. Sumo. May God bless you, my sister. Okay, mga kaibigan, salamat sa inyong palaging panunood sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo sa Tribong Talaandig. Ang sweldo sa channel na ito is binibigay natin sa Talandig in terms of livelihood. Nagpapatanim tayo ngayon ng lakatan na saging. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Okay, magandang umaga po sa nanonood ng video. Nandito na po kami ng kanyang asawa sa aming saging lakatan. Ito po, naglilinis kami ng kanyang saging lakatan para mas maganda pa ito ang tubo ng aming saging. Papasalamat kami sa nanonood ng video sa yung tulong sa amin na pagtanim kami ng saging lakatan, at ito na po maiwasan namin ang kahirapan ng buhay kapag makaharvest na kami at makabinta na sa bunga ng aming saging lakatan. Ito na po ang nauna naming mga tanim na saging lakatan. Noong una, ang aming tinanim sayuti ito. Masyadong mas barato ang sayuti kaysa saging lakatan. Ang saging lakatan, mahal ito dahil kunin sa amin pag harvest namin ng tag 40 ang kilo. Nagpapasalamat kami sa inyo, sa inyong tulong na napagtaniman kami ng saging lakatan, at ito po nagdasal kami ng Panginoon sa aming pag-harvest na ito na maiwasan namin ito ang kahirap ng buhay. Salamat sa inyong pagtulong, at ito po linisan namin ang aming mga sagingan para ito mas maayos pa at madaling mamunga ito. Ito po ang aking asawa, naglilinis siya. Salamat sa inyo, masaya po kami na mag-asawa at sa kanyang mga anak na mayroon na kaming mga taniman na saging lakatan at makapag-aral na ito ng aming mga anak. At ito na po, pagmamunga na at bigyan kami ng panalangin ng Panginoon na napag-aral na sila, na mayroon na silang baon sa kanilang pag-aaral. Salamat sa inyong tulong at marami pa ito ang aming mga tinanim. 240 lahat na tanim namin na saging lakatan, at puntahin natin ang pangkalawa naming tanim na saging lakatan. Sir, ilang lahat ang nauna nating tanim na saging lakatan? Ang nauna
40.
40 po ang nauna nating tanim. Ang pangkalawa, ating bisitahin ito. Puntahan natin. Yun na po ang pangkalawa namin na tanim na saging lakatan. Sir, ilan lahat po ang pangkalawa nating tanim saging lakatan, sir?
100.
100. So, 140 na lahat. Apel sa nauna, 40. Yun, 100.
Oo.
Mayroon pa itong pang tatlo nating taniman.
Wala pa.
Sige, puntahan natin na. Yun. Ito na po kami sa aming pang tatlo na taniman na saging lakatan. Ito po. Naglilinis kami dahil maganda ang tubo ng aming saging lakatan. Ito na po. Sir, ilang lahat na tinanim natin na saging lakatan ng ipangkatatlo?
100.
100. So 240 lahat
Oo.
na tinanim namin na saging lakatan. Ito, makikita ninyo ng kanyang saging lakatan. Ito po, malinis na ang aming mga taniman. Salamat sa inyo sa tuloy-tuloy po na iyong pagsuporta sa Panginoon. Maraming salamat na mayroon na kaming taniman, at sa nanonood ito ng video, maraming salamat sa inyong pagtulong sa amin. God bless.